Bakit? Support it.
Ayaw mo music, Mar? Bawal? Okay, ako ba? Music ako ng music, may ipapatay sila pala yun. Sorry.
Kasi na po yung breakfast ng bride.
Ay,
Ikaw na yung taga-team, ikaw po yung taga-hawak.
Ayaw talaga.
Subating ka
Isang mata mo, Mariel, dito.
Paano kung tumaba ako ngayon?
Talaga ba?
TNT!
Parang nag-lose ka ng weight, no?
Tinry ko. Kasi ang taba ko. Di ba yung last time sobrang suman ako dun?
Hindi naman. Wait kayo.
Ay, kasama pa lang kami.
May na pa kayo.
Basta taasan mo na lang.
Isa daw, no?
Baba mo na. Dahan-dahan mo na.
A few moments later.
Kapit pa na mukha?
Sobrang close.
Now stop. Put your hands in the air.
Isip mo magsasalita ka pa mamaya. Magkapi ka ba?
Sting kayo sa taas. Dito. Tawa kayo dito. Silaw na.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up to the sky. Wave around the side to side.
This is Singles Here Tonight. If you're looking for a love story like this, you can look for me at that table. Table 22.
The real reason why he wanted to go to church is because that's where his crush needed to be picked up.
A few moments later.